Alright, so this is a to-do list application that I created using C# in Microsoft Visual Studio. Just want to walk you through it really quickly. We have two classes mainly. We have the database connection class and the to-do list class here. So in the database connection class, all we're really doing is connecting to the database. This class has a data member variable of this connection using the built-in MySQL library for C# in Visual Studio. So when we construct this class in the default constructor, we are just connecting to a local host table that I have set up here on my computer. And then we got two methods, open connection and close connection. And that's just calling the built-in open and close methods. And we have a getter to access the connection. And the to-do list class, what we have, every to-do list class just really has a database connection, which I just went over. So in the to-do list class's constructor, what I have here is a database connection that gets initialized. And then we have really four methods that interact with the table. We have a create table in which we are creating this table using this query. We have an insert into the table, which we are just inserting a new task into this table, and we are doing that using input from the user. Same thing with delete, and then the final one is the drop table. So when we are in our main, what we do is we create a new to-do list and then we call the method run. So that's the final method here is run. And what we're doing is opening the connection, creating the table, and then we are in this while loop here where all we do is we list all the information on the table. So all the tasks there, they're being written out. And then we are asking the user, what do you want to do? Insert, delete, or quit. Based on their input, we are going to execute the respective query. And if they want to quit, what we do is we break out of this while loop, drop the table, and close the connection, and the program is over. So let's run it and see what we have. Alright, so right now we can see there are no items in the table. So if we want to insert one, we can insert, say, walk the dog. And now we have current item is walk the dog, and we can still do these things. So we'll insert another item, say finish season 7 of Homeland. So we have those two things on there. Maybe we can insert one more, say get groceries. And as you can see, we just keep adding to the list. If we want to delete one, let's say I finished Homeland, then that gets removed from the list. And then if we call quit, it's going to drop the table and exit the program. So I think moving forward, if I wanted to add some more, what I would do is maybe implement the singleton pattern. This way we could ensure that when we are creating a to-do list, we are only going to be working with one to-do list. Nobody else can call another to-do list, and I don't know, that might make things go out of whack. So just to ensure that we're only creating one instance of a to-do list here. I think that's what I would do moving forward. Possibly some more error catching and handling. But yeah, that's what I have so far.